This is the Curies Law Interactive Calculator, which solves for magnetic properties of paramagnetic materials based on Curie's law relationships. Let's look at the inputs. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown, where you can select to calculate magnetic susceptibility, temperature, Curie constant, magnetization, or effective magnetic moment. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate Magnetic Susceptibility. Next, we have 6 input fields: Curie constant C in Kelvin meters cubed per mole, temperature T in Kelvin, magnetic susceptibility chi in meters cubed per mole, magnetic field H in amperes per meter, magnetization M in amperes per meter, and number density N in particles per mole. For our example, I'll enter 10 for Curie constant, 10 for temperature, 10 for magnetic susceptibility, 10 for magnetic field, 10 for magnetization, and 10 for number density. After clicking Calculate, the results show magnetic susceptibility equals 1/1000 AE plus 0 meters cubed per mole, temperature equals 10,000 Kelvin, and Curie constant equals 10,000 Kelvin meters cubed per mole. The magnetization and effective moment show NA for this calculation mode. The status confirms valid paramagnetic regime, indicating our values satisfy Curie's law conditions. This calculator streamlines paramagnetic material analysis for your engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.